The wind calls out a vision of service and camaraderie, and the sail has caught its message. Thousands of Rotarians around the world have heeded its call, and more than 100 fleets in 23 carries now sail under one organization, the International Yachting Fellowship of Rotarians, or the IYFR. The IYFR was formed in 1947 in Great Britain when Rotarian John Barrett, member of the Rotary Club of Brixton, London, England, conceived the idea of flying a burgee bearing the Rotary emblem on the masthead of his yacht. It is now the oldest Rotary Fellowships and is one of the biggest Rotarian fellowships in the world, with members from Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Bulgaria, British Virgin Islands, Canada, Finland, France, French Polynesia, Germany, Great Britain, Hong Kong, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Netherlands, New Zealand, Poland, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Turkey, and the United States of America. Today, the wind has carried its message to our country, and the Philippines now answers to its call. The Philippine Fleet is headed by Fleet Commodore Jesus Jun Avicilla Jr., who is also the incoming president of the Cubao West Rotary. Jun Avicilla's passion for sailing has brought him numerous national and international awards in the sport. Now, he takes his fervor to an elevated level of purpose through the founding of the IYFR Philippines, together with the Cubao West Rotary. After the Rotarian Convention in Los Angeles last year, where an IYFR booth participated, Jun Avicilla suggested that a Philippine fleet should be organized. True enough, IYFR Philippines is now all fired up to make a distinct mark in the international fellowship. The race is on, and not just for trophies, but for addressing the needs of the environment. Cleaning up the waters of the country is now one of the advocacies of the group. Armed with zeal and dedication, members of the IYFR Philippines carry the vision and are now on its way to sail towards a cleaner environment for the future generation. Sails up, all aboard!
We can say it with me, or I know